क्या आप भी लॉयर बनना चाहते हैं but not sure of the roadmap? Let's break it down. The legal profession in India has transformed dramatically over the past few decades, from traditional litigation to corporate law, international arbitrations, as well as specialized fields like intellectual property and environmental law. The opportunities are vast and rewarding. In this video, we will explore कि इंडिया में 12th standard के बाद how to pursue a successful legal career. Whether you dream of becoming a judge, a corporate lawyer, or fighting for social justice, this video will help you navigate your journey. So let's start with the educational qualifications you need to pursue law in India. First, 5-year integrated law program. After completing your 12th standard in any stream, science, commerce or humanities, you can directly enroll in a 5-year integrated law program leading to a BA LLB, BBA LLB as well as BSc LLB degree. This course is most popular route because of the following reasons. You save 1 year as compared to a traditional LLB degree. This course is offered by prestigious national law universities or top private schools, as well as they provide a broader educational foundation by combining legal education with arts, business and science. Second option is a 3-year LLB program. अगर आपने bachelor's degree already कर रखी है, then you can directly opt for a 3-year LLB program. This option is best for those who are seeking a career change, people who want to add a legal expertise in their existing qualifications, as well as professionals who might have developed their interest in law later. Now let's talk about the crucial entrance examinations you need to crack to start your legal career in India. The most prestigious entrance exam in India is CLAT, Common Law Admission Test, which is the gateway to 24 national law universities like NLS Bangalore, Nalsar Hyderabad, as well as NUJS Kolkata, which are ranked 1st, 2nd and 3rd respectively as per their NIRF ranking. Other important exams include ALET for national law universities, CUET for Delhi University Law Programs, SLAT for Symbiosis Law School, LNAT UK for Jindal Global Law School, as well as various state level and university specific entrance exams like MHCET. These exams typically test your English language comprehension, legal aptitude, logical reasoning, basic level mathematical ability, as well as general knowledge and current affairs. Preparation is the key to crack these competitive exams. Here's how you can prepare effectively. Start early, at least 10 to 12 months before the exam. Develop a reading habit, books, magazines or newspapers to know more about the current affairs. Build your vocabulary and comprehension skills. Practice logical reasoning puzzles and problems daily. Understand your legal concepts thoroughly, as well as take mock tests daily to improve your speed and accuracy. Remember, preparing for CLAT or other exams is not a sprint but a marathon. Consistency is the key rather than intensity. So prepare with NLTI, where you will be offered a specialized mentorship by NLS Bangalore students who will guide you in your preparation journey. How to choose the right law school? Consider the following factors: reputation and ranking, faculty quality, placement records, infrastructure, location, fees and scholarship, as well as alumni network. So, law school is not just about attending classes and passing exams. Focus on your personal growth and build your resume. जाओ जाके internships करो, debates में part लो, student committees join करो, write good research papers and publish them in good journals. And ये सब करते करते you might get an idea of your area of interest by around 3rd year. So, after law school, what all career paths you can follow? You can join litigation, corporate law, legal academia, legal journalism, judicial services, civil services, NGOs and public interest law. You can also join international organization, or you might start your own law firm. Your struggle does not end simply after clearing CLAT and joining an NLU. बहुत सारे ups and downs होंगे and you might feel like just giving up. So let's be honest about the challenges. The initial years can be financially tough. The work hours can be long and demanding. Building reputation takes time and persistence. Competition is tough with over 1.5 million lawyers in India, as well as the profession requires continuous learning as the law evolves. However, the rewards are also significant. financial stability and growth in the long run, respect and standing in the society, the ability to make real difference in people's life, as well as the satisfaction of upholding justice and the rule of law. So by now you might have figured out that legal profession is demanding but still rewarding. Law is not just a career, it's a calling that shapes societies and changes people's life. If you have any queries or concerns about your own law journey, drop them in the comments below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube.